Are you ready to transform your space into a calming aquatic oasis? Let's dive into the amazing features of the Koller Products AquaView 2-gallon aquarium starter kit. Imagine the tranquility as you select from 7 stunning LED colors, from bright daylight white to calming aqua. Perfect for any mood. The internal power filter cleans and purifies up to 25 gallons per hour, keeping your fish healthy and happy by removing waste and pollutants. Unlike traditional glass tanks, this aquarium offers clarity and durability. Say goodbye to worrying about leaks. Imagine watching the colorful fish glide back and forth, easing your stress after a long day. It's the perfect choice for apartments or offices. Join a community of happy aquarium enthusiasts. This starter kit is not just affordable at $38, it's a fantastic investment into relaxation. If you're impressed with this product and want to spruce up your space, check the link in the description to grab yours now.